Welcome to Canva Invoice Design. If you're a business person, you are not expected to do anyhow, write up with your pencil or your pen and send to a client. It doesn't speak well of your organization. Okay, it does not speak well of your organization. If your client needs an invoice from you and you want to design, you want to send the client an invoice, the best thing to do is go to Canva, click on invoice template or business invoice. Any of them can serve. There are a lot of invoice templates you can see. Okay, as you can see, Canva has 20,000 invoice designs. 20,000 invoice design. Okay, you can choose any of them that works well with you. You can see in the billing invoice, you can see this very invoice. Let's go with this one. Okay, this one is free. Let me look for something that might entice you more. Jeans, you can be selling whatsoever. You can be selling software, you can be selling digital products, whatever you want to do that requires an invoice. This is how you set up a digital invoice without having any form of setbacks, without having any form of something that would say, okay, I can't do this or I can't do that, or even giving it out to somebody to do. Okay, so you can come here, change this invoice name, you change the template to, let's say your name is Adamu, Adamu and Sons. Okay, let me put the Adamu up here. Adamu and Sons. I'll try to be as fast as possible so it will end within a short, the video will end within a short while. So I'll come here again. I'll put the address of the person the invoice is being addressed to. Let's say Chidima Enterprise. Enterprise. A business in Bayelsa. You can include her address in Bayelsa. In Bayelsa, you can put your bank detail up here, put your account detail here, put the detail of the information that you sold to the person. Okay, you can make it bigger using this font. You can change the font using this place. Okay, this is available on your smartphone, is equally available on using a laptop. All this information, you can change the color here, you can change the font size, make it bold. Okay, like I just made this one bold, and the rest you can go ahead and put the amount that you charge the person for the work. You edit it as much as possible. This is 2,000 naira. Put your currency rate that you charged, your currency symbol. Once you're done, put your terms and conditions, put your phone number if possible. Try and remember to add up the date. This is 2025. Add up the date. Once you're done, put the total amount of the product the person did, which you charge the person. Put the terms and conditions if necessary, put the, what else will you put, then their payment information. Once you're done with all this and you're done with you're satisfied with the appearance of the invoice, you go to share, click on download, allow it to be on PDF format and click on download. So I'm downloading it right away. I'm downloading the product right away, the invoice right away. So it has been downloaded. So this is it. Let me open it up. It's taking a little time. Let me pause the video. So this is the work that the this is the invoice, Adamu and Sons, the invoice April 2, 2025, and the rest, the account information, the description, item description, rate, amount, whatever you sold to the person, whatever is required, whether you're a website designer, whether you're a hair maker, whether you're hair personnel, this is what you send to your customer using WhatsApp, email, or whatever means you need to communicate with your client. So with this,